Hey, here we are. We're ready for tour day. Here's my beautiful wife and our house that's completely flipped, and check it out. We've got a sale pending already. So babe, tell us a story.
All right, come on in. This is what we call the little blue house. We'll post some before pictures too. It was so gross that Zoe couldn't even be in there without sneezing. So come on in.
Yeah.
So we are doing other flips as well, and there's a lot of little knickknacks I haven't finished yet, but overall the house has turned out really, really cute. Let's go ahead and go in.
Yeah, if you guys remember, we got brand new windows and a different color garage. Exterior's looking really good. New exterior light.
Put on that really cute front door.
Yeah. Nice looking front door.
All right, come on in. So, agreeable gray walls, snowbound trim, shelves. We went with a luxury vinyl plank flooring. I was going to go with another floor, and this last minute switched to this, and it turned out really, really pretty. And the fireplace, same colors trim. I didn't go with a bright white. It's too stark white on my eyes. So I used snowbound. It's just a little bit more muted, but still looks like a bright white. And you guys can see the new windows. These windows are awesome. Let's see, let's go ahead and come into the kitchen, put all the lights in. And we did go ahead and just paint the cabinets, put on new hardware. Here's the new hardware. And then put in the most affordable granite that we could find. It's 2 centimeters. Put in a white dishwasher. We're gonna put in a white stove as well. And then I got this off of Wayfair. It was like $129. I thought that was cute, even though it's not gonna match. So let's go to the bathroom.
Looking good so far, boo-boo.
Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna have you stand right here.
Okay.
And my favorite thing about this house, it's very light and airy. So you stand right here, and then just kind of pan the windows through this area, so you can see it's so bright and airy. And then stand right here too, so you can get the lights out that way. Okay, and I'll have you come back down the hall. Why are you laughing at me?
This is fun.
Okay, same cabinets, just changed out the hardware, and it actually came out. I really like it, and on some of them, I actually had to put new wheels and stuff, but you can buy those at Lowe's, and they work like a charm. Let's see, carpet, I went with a mix. It's a kind of a brown and a gray. It's turned out really pretty, and look how huge these windows are. So this house is only, it's a 1,130 square feet approximately. So having these huge windows makes it beautiful.
Yeah, it makes it feel bigger too.
So we kept the original vanity, raised it 4 inches. I actually did that myself. And then we put the granite on top. They accidentally made it, see the hangover? It's only supposed to be 1.5 inches, and it's actually like 3 to 4 inches, but it works out really well and makes the vanity top a lot larger. So, and then got this mirror at Lowe's, which I love, for like 89 bucks, and just put in new toilets. Keep coming this way, and here I just cleaned it up. It was disgusting. It was one of those days where it was just so gross. I was like, why God, why? But no, I'm happy with it. So I was gonna change out this strip here, but I talked to my tile guy, and he was like, it's fine. So we got cute. They're actually
little
pretty.
Fishies.
They're pretty. They've got like a metallic gold on there. They're actually cute. The new window, and it's got the can't see me naked shade to it. All right, here's so this is, I think it's like Jack and Jill, but it's open to the hall, so I think it's called a Pullman, if I remember right. And then same exact mirror. I didn't realize it wasn't the same size, but I just left it. So, and then here's the master bedroom. All right, and we got someone knocking on the door, and I am done. Show them how big this window is too, Zoe.
Yeah.
Really nice. I hope you guys like it. So, a lot of things that we did were not, all new doors. Look, check out these doors. Look how pretty they were.
Car all across the house. What are you doing?
Bye.
Love
Thank
it.
you. I hope you guys
Good job,
let
man.
me know what you think. Everything was done based on probably price first, and then style second, and try to make everything kind of neutral. Came out way lighter and a little bit more feminine, but it's also really pretty. What do you think? So is it too feminine?
No, I don't think it's feminine. I could live
Just
here.
light color. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
Good job.
yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we've got more to show you.
All right.
Happy Sunday.